Motor car. You'll need the following materials and tools. 1. Glue 4 pairs of wheels together. Clamp or place under a heavy book. 2. Place one of the small plastic sleeves into the next to smallest gear. 3. Use hot glue to attach the gear to the spindle of the motor. 4. Fold part A. 5. Use hot glue to attach the largest gear to one wheel, part B. 6. Cut the dowel into 2 pieces, one 14 cm and the other 12 cm. 7. Use the hot glue to attach one dowel to the center of the wheel with the gear. Attach the other dowel to another wheel. 8. Slide the dowels into the body of the car. 9. Put the remaining wheels on the other ends of the dowels. 10. Cut off the extra dowel. Hot glue into place. 11. Snap the motor into the motor mount. 12. Slide the motor in next to the wheel with the gear. Hot glue into place. Make sure the smaller gear engages with the larger gear. 13. Snap the battery into the battery holder. 14. Hot glue the battery holder into the empty space in the car body. 15. To make the car run, attach the red motor clip to the positive side of the battery and the black clip to the negative side.